Hey, I'm Fucci, and welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. We're kicking off Instant Month Pot. Hey, I'm Fucci, and welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. I mean, it's just getting worse. Well, let's give it a
Yeah, we'll do that. Let's bubbly gob. Bring it!
You'll also need a mini muffin pan. You'll also need a mini muffin cup. Do you know the muffin pan, the mini muffin pan? So that it all integrates into one. We'll shake it up. Oh, I lost a microphone. We'll place the cover onto the jar. Yep. I'm not gonna place a darn thing. Oh, say, oh, say, can you? It's that can. It's the can. Can. Keto-friendly breakfasts. So, breakfasts.
We don't gonna cook ourselves some barbecue.
That's great. Ready?
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I'm laughing. Were you guys recording that?
Hey, nothing screams soup quite like a chilly fall day, unless, of course, you forget your lines. And then we could toss it in our great ginger sesame, and then we could toss it in our great sesame ginger grit. That sounds just like a Chinese chicken salad. Wait, what did you want me to do on that? Who doesn't love it?
Who let that bird in here?
I'm a guy, just in case you were wondering. We're gonna throw the lid onto the Instant Pot. Why is it not working, Dwight? You can throw them on about at the same time. The vegetables do take just a touch longer, so you might throw them on just a touch first. I wanted to create a super delicious, super crusty, good taste to the crust, and it will crisp up really nice. So bring crusp. I keep saying crusp. To make our stirred martini, we need a shaker. And if it closes up, you know he's still alive. And if he doesn't, you were alive before! You can do it the day before, which is great because it's just great. So while we've got our steaks cooking in the back, we can make our holiday topping. Yeah. That's what I wanted to say without my script here, if that'd be okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good.
So check this out, those beautiful... So we've taken our refrigerator out of the steak. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna pull it together, Dwight.
All right.
Let us know about it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Until next time, I'm Fucci, reminding you that I'm not doing anything with my hands, and this is ordinarily the time that I would. Sometimes I just want to kick my face. Is that possible?